Hello dear students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. Today we have brought the visual sensory organ of our human body, that is the eyes. Okay, so we are going to see the MCQs based on human eyes. So before we start with our today's video, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. So let's begin students with our today's MCQ. The first question is, an eye consists of dash muscles, and the options are A 5, B 6, C 7 and D 8. So students, the correct answer of this question is option number yes, B, right? That is 6. Our eyes consist of 6 muscles. Moving to the next question. The next question is, the approximate diameter of human eye is, and the options for this question is A 2 centimeter, option number B 2.3 centimeter, option number C 3 centimeter and option number D 3.3 centimeter. So students, the correct answer of this question is option number B, that is 2.3 centimeter. Okay, so the approximate diameter of human eyes is 2.3 centimeter. Moving to the next question. The question is, the dash in the eye is the colored part that controls the size and diameter of the pupil. And the options are A cornea, B retina, option number C lens and option number D iris. So yes students, what do you think? The correct answer of this question is option number D, that is the iris. Okay, so iris in the eye is the colored part that controls the size and diameter of the pupil. It also directly affects the amount of light entering the eyes. Okay, then moving to the next question. The next question is, false statement about rods is. The options given for these questions are option number A, they are found at the edge of the retina, option number B, the senses functions in low light, then option number C, color blindness occurs when rods are not functioning properly, and option number D, they aid in peripheral vision. So students, you know that rods, that is these sensors, are functioning in low lights and are found at the edges of retina, right? Therefore these 2 points are correct. Also they aid in peripheral vision, therefore the last point is also correct. Whereas the third option what is given, that is colored blindness occurs when rods are not functioning properly, that sentence is wrong, because typically color blindness occurs when cones are not working properly. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this question is option number C. Then moving to the next question. The next question is, a dark muscular tissue and ring-like structure behind cornea is, and the options are A lens, B sclera, C cornea and D iris. So students, correct answer of this question is option number D, that is iris. Okay, so iris is a dark muscular tissue and a ring-like structure present behind the cornea, and the color of the iris actually indicates the color of the eyes. Also, the iris help in regulating or adjusting exposure by adjusting the iris. Okay, then moving to the next question. The next question is, dash contains photoreceptors which detect light, and the options are A cornea, B retina, C, that is lenses and D iris. So students, right answer of this question is option number B, that is retina. Okay, moving to the next question. The next question is, three types of cones for detecting three primary colors of light except, and the options for this question are option number A blue, option number B red, option number C black, and option number D green. So students, you know that cones, they are of three colors, right? So these three types of cones are useful for detecting three primary colors of light, namely blue, green and red. Okay, therefore the except that is the correct answer for this is option number C, that is black. And typically color blindness occurs when one of these type of cones, that is blue, red or green, is not present. Okay, moving to the next question. The next question is the white part of eyes is, and the options are A cornea, option number B sclera, option number C lenses, or option number D iris. So yes students, you can also meanwhile pause the video and resume to find out the right answer. The right answer for this question is option number B, that is the sclera. Okay, then the next question is light enters the eyes through the dash, and the options given are A lens, option number B sclera, option number C cornea, and option number D iris. So students, right answer for this question is option number C, that is cornea. Okay, therefore the light enters the eye through the cornea. Then the next question is the optic nerve transmits electrical signal from the dash to the brain, and the options are option number A lenses, option number B retina, option number C iris, or option number D cornea. So students, right answer of this question is option number B, that is retina. Now the next question is internal component of human eye includes except, and the options given are A lenses, option number B retina, option number C iris, and option number D optic nerve. So student, right answer for this question is option number C iris. Okay, so iris is an external component, whereas lens, retina, optic nerves, these are the internal components of human eye. Along with these three, aqueous humor and vitreous humor are also the component or internal component of the human eye. Okay, then moving to the next question. The next question is true statement about lens except, and the options are A it's behind the pupil, option number B it is transparent structure, option number C it changes its shape to focus light on the retina, and option number D it becomes thicker to focus distinct object. Okay, so students, right answer for this question is option number D. Okay, that is it becomes thinner to focus the distant object and not thicker. Okay, it becomes thicker to focus nearer objects. Therefore the except is option number D. Okay, now moving to the next question. The next question is dash layers of iris is present in human eyes, and the options are A 2, option number B 3, option number C 4, and option number D none of these. So students, right answer of this question is option number A, that is 2 layers. Okay, then the next question is a transparent jelly-like substance present between the lens and the retina is called, and the options are A aqueous humor, option number B pupil, option number C sclera, or option number D, that is vitreous humor. So students, right answer of this question, yes, option number A, that is the aqueous humor. Okay, then this is the 15th and the last question. So the question is type of optic nerves are, and the options are A lens, option number B rods, option number C cones, or option number D both B and C, that is rods and cones. So students, right answer for this question is option number D, that is both rods and cones. Okay. So thank you students for watching this video till end, and please do subscribe if not yet. Thank you.